If you just know that you want to make a difference in the world, want to do something good in the world, and you don't know like the avenue to do that, start with XA. It teaches you just so many different aspects, business or design or technology, in a way that you get to decide like which one is important to you. Looking at some of the problems that I'm thinking about tackling now, I would have a couple years ago looked at them and said, oh, that's impossible. But now when I look at problems, I just see opportunities and ways that things can be made better. Like there's always something that can be made better. I'm involved in a group called University Innovation Fellows, and it started at Stanford's D School. This year is the first year that we have a cohort at Michigan State. That is separate from XA, but I would encourage XA students to do it. It's design thinking, it's all the things that we study in our classes, but on a global scale. XA kind of came alongside me and supported me financially, but also allowing me to figure out how I'm going to go to Dubai the week before graduation. There I got to just work with students from all over the world, from Pakistan, from India, from Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and XA allowed me to be a part of that, to just get to see like what kind of XA looks like on a global scale.